Hello, welcome to EPROM this evening. I am Durant. Now, Popcorn is enjoying his vacation. The Jamaican dancehall artist has been hanging out with his hip-hop colleagues while on vacation in Turks and Caicos. Canadian rapper, singer, and actor Drake, who is a good friend of Popcorn, was seen on the island at the parties, at the beach, etc., enjoying themselves. Now, the two have been working together since 2017 when they did their first collaboration, My Chargy.
I'm here for you, just tell me what you like. I wanna put you in my life forever, 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 forever. Baby, me love.
Grammy award-winning rapper J. Cole and basketball player Kevin Durant were also seen in the videos and photos posted by the unruly boss on his official Instagram account. In the meantime, Popcorn is yet to give an update on the progress of his new album. He previewed the album's name, Great Is He, Great Is Me, back in February. Shenseea to drop new music later this year, but fans should not expect the same flavor. The Shenseea boss, in an interview with the Rolling Stones at the VMAs on Sunday, shared the news with her fans while giving a peek into the reason for her new direction.
The new music that I'm about to release, let me just tell you from now, it's gonna be something completely different from the first album.
Really?
But it's just how I roll, you know, I'm an artist, I like to experiment, I like to show my creativity, so yeah. About, which month are we in? August? Let's look on end of September, October. I think what I've been going through, I feel like I've been so depressed lately, stressed out, right out, you know, so it's more like dark, moody, but relatable still.
Shenseea has proven to be versatile and creative with her music for the past 6 years in the industry. Her latest project, Alpha, was released back in March of this year. Alpha spent 9 weeks on the Billboard Reggae album chart, peaking at number 2. Shenseea collaborated with the dancehall artist Skillibang on the song Rain, Rain, where she showed up her rap skills. Now onto the international scene. Pink Venom by Blackpink tops the Billboard trending songs chart for a second week. Pink Venom was released in August and has since set records on both Spotify and YouTube during its premiere week. That's it for ePrime this evening. I am Durant. Thank you for watching.